vent du nord-nord-ouest à 43 avec rafale à 57 nœuds. Grand Manan, la température 11, la visibilité 2000,5, le vent du nord à 14 avec rafale à 23 nœuds.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Nova Scotia at 3:42 p.m. Atlantic Daylight Time, Saturday, September 7th, 2019. A wind warning is continued for Kings County. A rainfall warning is continued for Kings County. Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Eastern Canada at 3:01 p.m. Atlantic Daylight Time, Saturday, September 7th, 2019. A tropical storm warning is continued for Kings County. A wind warning is continued for Annapolis County. A rainfall warning is continued for Annapolis County. A tropical storm warning is continued for Annapolis County. Storm surge warning is continued for Queens County. A rainfall warning is continued for Queens County. A hurricane warning is continued for Queens County. Storm surge warning is continued for Lunenburg County. A rainfall warning is continued for Lunenburg County. A hurricane warning is continued for Lunenburg County. Storm surge warning is continued for Halifax Metro and Halifax County West. A rainfall warning is continued for Halifax Metro and Halifax County West. A hurricane warning is continued for Halifax Metro and Halifax County West. A rainfall warning is continued for Hants County. A hurricane warning is continued for Hants County. A wind warning is continued for Colchester County, Cobequid Bay. A rainfall warning is continued for Colchester County, Cobequid Bay. A tropical storm warning is continued for Colchester County, Cobequid Bay. A wind warning is continued for Cumberland County minus shore. A rainfall warning is continued for Cumberland County minus shore. A tropical storm warning is continued for Cumberland County minus shore. Forecast issued